feel the air coming right out of there. Sneaky ghetto setup. Vacuum hose. Replace the intercooler. Genius.